Hello, we're going to take a look at my tropical garden. It's the end of August and things are looking pretty great. It's been pretty dry, but we had a tiny bit of rain last night and it's overcast today, so thought we'd do a video. This is the fig tree. It's in the vegetable garden just before we get into the tropical part of the garden. I should mention we're in Ontario, Canada, so very cold winters, but we're able to grow all these tropicals by bringing the roots inside for the winter. So come on around into the deck. Just come around to the back side here so we can see everything. We moved the pond. It's just a livestock trough. This is a 100-gallon trough. We had a smaller one last year. It was about the same size, but it wasn't as deep. So this one's probably 3 feet deep. And yesterday the water hyacinths here were flowering, and it was amazing. I'll try to put in a picture of it from yesterday. It's amazing how fast it dies back. It only lasted for one day. It's already fallen down. We have a water lily in there. Some frogs have moved in, and we built this little water trough that a pump circulates the water through this. In front here we have the pineapple and our palm tree here that we've been growing from seed from a vacation from Florida in 2016. A couple of tropical hibiscuses here, a pink one, and there's a red one back here. Some blood bananas, musu baju fiber bananas. These ones all come inside for the winter. After the first frost we cut back the leaves and just put that stem in the garbage can and bring that into the cellar. Some shorter cannas here. This is South Pacific rose. Some pineapple lilies here. This was lay, I think. It's supposed to be a purple leaf, but over the years it's become green. This one's never flowered for me. I have the other ones here called bicolored, and they flower every year. It smells kind of off-putting at first. I have some Plumerias or frangipanis in here too, and those are really old, at least 12 years old. They've never flowered, but they're still nice. They come inside for the winter too. All this stuff does. This is an Imperial Colocasia. My large green Colocasias died over last winter. The roots rotted in the basement. So I've got one new one there. It's still pretty small, but over time, each year it'll get a bigger and bigger root. In the back we've got the Cannas. These ones are called Bird of Paradise. Go way up, there's some flowers up there. And that would probably be 8 to 9 feet tall to the top of those flowers. Common Rouge over here. Another Common Rouge. Another banana. And the bed over here too is bananas. Bananas and cannas. This banana here is the one I tried to overwinter outside, and it worked. I built a box around it. You can see one of my other videos where I showed there was a box in there and a light bulb that kept the temperature above freezing. It survived for sure, but it's not doing any better, or maybe even a little bit worse than the ones that I brought inside. So it was an experiment. Maybe I kept the temperatures too low. I think it was between 3 to 5 Celsius, just above freezing. Could try it again and keep the temperatures a little bit higher, but I think just bringing them inside the basement works just fine. Okay, that's a look at the tropical garden.